Hello friends, today I'm going to review this Tecno Spark 8 Pro phone. And guys, in this video guys, we will check this phone setting, camera setting, whole thing guys. Now let's open. And guys, I have opened it with front of delivery man because of guys sometime what happened, we get something like we booked phone. And guys, we when we take phone guys, after that guys, when we open it, so guys, we think most of time guys, we have seen many cases in this phone like unboxing, like when we take phone and delivery man he went, and after that when we open this, so guys, we get another thing except phone. So guys, when you book and when you take any phone, any parcel from delivery boy, so guys, you should check that time only. Okay friends, so now let's review this phone guys. So guys, as I told you, I have opened it. So I'm going to review. So let's see this Tecno phone guys. So guys, we will have to open it. So we will on it. As you can see, this camera quality setting, which is very nice. So you can see Android Tecno nice in box. You can see guys, there is a cover. We will use it after that. And guys, you can see this 12 months warranty card, Tecno phone, charger, data cable, and guys, pin for SIM card. And there is no anything in this phone guys. So let's open this phone and check guys, phone RAM, screen touch. Alright, screen is so smooth guys, I can use easily. So let's talk about this phone setting. So let's check about phone. First of all, about phone. My phone. So you can see guys, 64 GB and 8 GB RAM, 48 megapixel guys, triple camera, by 5000 mAh battery, Android 11, model number, e-warranty card guys, build number guys, you can see MIEI number guys. And guys, let's talk about this phone camera. So let's see. Oh, nice camera friends, you can see guys. Nice phone guys. You want to order guys, so you can also order. It's portrait mode camera guys. Let's see. Oh, so guys, tell me on comment how it's my phone, you like it or not. So guys, we will meet on next video with new thing. So bye friends.